Here's my 62 Chevy C10 truck. Finished off in this flat, red, sun-baked shop truck looking paint. Sitting on 17-inch torque thrust wheels. Nice bed kit in there. See, this thing is a driver. It's on the power tour. Did fantastic as a driver on that tour. It's lowered obviously with Belltech springs. It's got independent front suspension with the springs on the front, so it rides really nice. The truck is sitting on it's got a 425 Cadillac motor, 350 turbo transmission. I was getting ready to say it's sitting on 17-inch torque thrust, but I already said that. Nice interior, original seat finished with the Mexican blanket. Nice auto meter gauges here. Fuel gauge works. It's cold start. Stereo works. Let me turn that down. Speedo works. Oil pressure volts. Nice auto meter. Oil pressure gauge does need a new sensor. See, it's working now. It'll occasionally drop out. Not because it loses oil pressure, but because it needs a sender unit. Wipers do work. Headlights, signals, got a painless wiring. New wiring harness on it. Pretty solid truck. Take a look at the engine bay here. Like I said, 425 Cadillac motor. Runs out smooth. Got some power to it. Good heater. New radiator. Power brake. Power steering. Odometer's got over 5,000 miles since the build, so it's a proven, reliable driver.